In this video, I'm about to show you how to get second Capital One credit card. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Capital One. Now, click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the official Capital One website. Once you're on the website, look for the credit cards option and click on it. Here you'll see a variety of Capital One credit card options like the Platinum MasterCard, Venture Rewards, and Quicksilver Rewards. Decide which card you'd like to apply for and click the Apply Now button. On the application page, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name, so fill those in. Next, enter your date of birth and your social security number. Make sure this information is accurate as it's required to process your application. Finally, you'll see a question asking if you are a US citizen. Choose either yes or no based on your status. After completing these steps, you're ready to proceed with the application and see if you qualify for your second Capital One credit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.